Hello guys, so we're back with a new video. This is Bryan and today we're going to upgrade a MacBook Pro hard drive to an SSD. So let's get started. So first, you have to unscrew the backplate by removing the 10 screws as shown. Before you do anything, make sure to unplug the battery by simply lifting the small plug. Once the battery unplugged, you can now remove the hard drive. First, you have to unscrew the bracket holding the hard drive in place. You can gently lift the hard drive using the small plastic and disconnect the SATA cable. Now you can prepare your SSD. To do that, you need a T6 screwdriver. You're gonna start by removing the 4 screws placed on your old hard drive. There's 2 on each side. These are used to hold the hard drive in place, so you're gonna have to reinstall them on your SSD as done in the video. You can now unstick the plastic handle and stick it to your SSD. Now you're gonna plug the SATA cable to the SSD and put it in place. Don't forget to screw back the bracket that holds the drive. And before closing everything back, replug the battery. Put the back plate in place and make sure all the screws are flush with the surface. Now we're almost done and ready to power the computer on and install OS X. Here we're using a USB stick with the latest version of OS X on it. So plug the USB key and hold Alt as you're powering on your MacBook. Booting into OS X installer, you'll have to format the SSD before you can install your OS. So to do that, select Disk Utility. Once done, select your SSD drive and click Erase as shown on the video. Let it format and close Disk Utility. At this point, all you have to do is to complete the OS X installation. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.